Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're opening up Hot Wheels character cars based on Disney characters. We have all 6 cars from Series 2 and all 6 cars from Series 3, so let's open them up and take a look at them out of the box. Character number 1 out of 6 in Series 2 is the iconic female Disney mouse with the polka dot bow tie, Minnie Mouse. Number 2 out of 6 in Series 2 comes all the way from Neverland. Dressed in green, it's the adventurous Peter Pan. Character car number 3 out of 6 from Series 2 is dressed up in a yellow dress because it's the Disney Princess Belle from Beauty and the Beast. Onto vehicle 4 out of 6 in Series 2, this one is based on the living puppet known for his long nose, Pinocchio. Car number 5 out of 6 in Series 2 is based on the genetically modified blue character Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Hot Wheels car 6 out of 6 in Series 2 is based on the big blue monster from Monsters Inc. It's Sully. Starting off Series 3 with character 1 out of 6, it's the clumsy animated character Goofy. Vehicle 2 out of 6 in Series 3 looks scary, but he's kinda gentle because it's the Beast from Beauty and the Beast. From Under the Sea, number 3 out of 6 from Series 3 is the clownfish character Nemo from Finding Nemo. Hot Wheels car 4 out of 6 in Series 3 is the big floppy-eared young elephant character Dumbo. Character 5 out of 6 in Series 3 is the sassy fairy and sidekick to Peter Pan, Tinkerbell. Last but not least, number 6 out of 6 from Series 3 is the demigod of South Pacific legend from Moana, it's Maui. So there we have 12 Hot Wheels Disney character cars. My favorites have to be Dumbo, Nemo, and Sully, but let me know your favorites in the comments below. I've also opened up the first 6 cars in Series 1 in a previous video, so I'll link that at the end so you guys can check it out.